Hey everybody, it's Andrew Startups again with another marketing tool that you need to use. It'll save you money. It'll help you grow your business. I have a whole book of all of these. Click the link below. But right now, we're going to talk about PhantomBuster. PhantomBuster with a PH, PhantomBuster.com. Read in the comment, I talk all about it. This is a very cheap, almost free tool that can help you automate your LinkedIn, help you automate your Instagram growth, your Twitter, and so much more. Basically, they have robots that work for you. This is long before AI, although they also have some AI integrations in here. PhantomBuster.com essentially allows you with a couple clicks to automate messages on LinkedIn, automate following, unfollowing, growing your following by liking and engaging. All of this is 100% legal. It looks like organic engagement. It drives you lots of leads, no matter what your business is. If you're a B2C company, growing your following looks really good. You can drive sales even of a consumer good, anything that's really fast moving, that's totally fine. If you're a B2B SaaS company, you can grow a lot of leads while you sleep through these strategies. Check it out right now. It's called PhantomBuster.com.